Hey guys, and welcome back to the Boataholic channel. In this video we'll be applying more Durabuild surface primer and then sanding and polishing the master bed plug on our Sealine SC35 project boat ready for taking a mould. In our last video we repaired and filled the factory master bed plug ready for finishing. We then applied a single coat of Durabuild surface primer, and we now need to sand and apply further coats to create the thickness we need to give the plug a final sand and polish. We chose to use Durabuild as it's an all-in-one application, requires no primer, can be sprayed, rolled or brushed on, and can be applied straight onto wood or MDF surfaces. We decided to go for the spray-on application and used a G100 spray gun, and I'll leave a link to the spray gun in the description below for anybody that is interested. We also bought a new sander for this job. This one is the Makita B06030. We bought this online and it cost around £115, I think, this one, including the shipping. And we also bought a 100 pack of sanding discs, which contains a variety of grades, from 40 grit all the way up to 2000 grit. On the plug itself, we'll be using 120 grit initially, and then working our way up through the grades, so 240, 400, 600, 800, 1000, and then finally finishing with the 2000 grit to give us the super smooth finish that we need. And then we'll be using a DA polisher to give the plug a final cut and polish before applying the mould release wax. So let's get sanding.
Go for 9.
Do the math.
Yeah, I'm trying. 9, 10, 11 grams.
So here's the finish we got. You can see that it's a little bit rough, but we got more material on, so this should sand back quite nicely. Unfortunately, we did have a problem with the gun actually. For some reason it just wasn't coming out the same as the first coat, so we gave the gun another clean and then it did seem better, but I think basically the Durabuild would not stirred the tin very well, and it just got thicker towards the bottom and it just didn't want to come out of the gun. So we've bought some more Durabuild and we bought some more thinners as well, so hopefully we can get another coat on this again after rubbing it down and get the finish that we need. Okay, we're going to get set up and give this a rub down. So hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button and please remember to subscribe, and we'll be back next week with another video. And also, if there are any ex-Sealine guys or anybody out there that knows any more about this boat, we'd love to hear from you. Please comment in the comment section below and we'll see you on the next one.